interviewer will make a mistake, he will confuse the candidate. Candidate will make a mistake and he will confuse the interviewer. Overall, that experience will not be good. Okay, so definitely you can expect one questions on shallow copy and deep copy, and it is like you need to have 100% clarity. Okay, with that note, I'm going to get started. We learn. So there are 4 cases that we should learn. So before learning shallow copy and a deep copy, what we should be knowing is that it is there in the module called copy. Okay, what is important, all those things we can learn later, but now you should know that shallow copy and deep copy, shallow copy and deep copy are a part of copy module 1. Okay, good.
So nothing is visible on the screen.
Why?
No, now it is okay.
Okay, guys, all of you are able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Right? So first let us take shallow copy, single dimensional list. Okay, what do we mean by single dimensional? Look at this. So my list equal to 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, 50. Okay, single dimensional list. There is only one dimension. Okay, now I want to know the support system of copy module, so I should put DAR of copy. Okay, so DAR of copy will tell you all the support system of copy. Support system in the sense method supported. So you see something called a copy, something called a deep copy. Okay, so I don't know anything about this copy and a deep copy. What should I do? I don't know anything about this.
Help.
Complete the sentence. Help of
Copy.
of copy dot copy. Okay. So do you see shallow copy? So what does that mean? If you use copy, then that will become a shallow copy. Okay. I want to learn deep copy, so I'm going to put a copy dot deep copy. So it says, hey, it is a deep copy. So copy. So we are going to learn shallow copy and deep copy. In Python, there is a module called copy. Under that module, you will see 2 methods called copy. So copy.copy is nothing but shallow copy. Copy.copy is nothing but shallow copy. Okay. Copy.copy is equal to shallow copy. Copy dot deep copy is deep copy. Okay, right. So I believe you guys should be remembering the call by reference and the call by value example. Okay, you guys still remember that example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was the analogy that I gave? So there was Shantala is there, and then like Sushmita Patel is there. Okay, they both are like sitting like preparing for the exam. For some reason, Shantala could not prepare well. So Shantala is like sitting after Sushmita. Sushmita is a studio student, so she is asking, "Hey, I want to copy your answer sheet. Can you please share it with me?" So there are 10 multiple choice questions. Okay, so Shantala is copying the answers from Sushmita. 10 questions, multiple choice question. When she goes to 7th question, Sushmita has put a C as answer, but Shantala is pretty sure that B is the answer. So now there are 2 cases. If Shantala is a selfish lady, then what she will do, instead of C, she will change the answer to B only on her answer sheet and then submit. In that case, how many marks Shantala will be scoring? How many marks Shantala will be scoring in a selfish case?
10.
10 out of 10. Because 9 questions she understood from the Sushmita. For the 7th question, the Sushmita was wrong, but she knows the correct answer. So Shantala, though she copied, she will get 100 marks. Now, how many marks Sushmita will get?
9.
9 marks. So this is called selfish case, which is nothing but call by value. Selfish case. How do you convert that into a technical terminologies? Shantala is a data structure. Sushmita is a data structure. Sushmita is the original data structure. Shantala is the copied data structure. In the copied data structure, you make some modification. If it does not get reflected on the original data structure, which is a selfish case, which is called as call by value. If Shantala is a very generous lady, then she will call Sushmita. Hey, Sushmita, all the other things are fine. Seventh question, can you please change it to B? Now Sushmita is also changing. Now they both will get 100 marks. This is a generous case. This is called call by reference. So when you copy a data structure when you create a copied data structure from the original data structure, you do the modification on the copied data structure, original data structure will also be modified. That is called call by reference. So I wanted to remind you that, because to know about deep copy and shallow copy, we should be knowing this. Okay, please never ever forget about this analogy. Now my list is the original data structure. My list is the original data structure. Now I'm going to put my list 1 equal to copy dot copy of my list. Now what sort of copy is this?
Deep copy.
Deep copy.
Shallow copy.
Shallow copy.
Right in front of your eyes, I have
Yeah,
put the copy dot copy equal to shallow copy. Right. No, it's okay. It's okay. No, don't make it a serious thing. Okay. So copy dot copy is like a shallow copy. So I'm doing a shallow copy now. Okay. I want to know the memory address of my list. What should I do?
ID.
ID of my list. Good. I want to know the memory address of my list 1. What should I do? ID.
ID of my list.
Are they same or different?
Different.
They are different. Now, my list is Sushmita. My list 1 is like Shantala. So now she is going to change that. Shantala is going to change her value. My list 1 of 0 equal to 10,000. Now I put my list of 1. It has got modified. Now I'm going to put my list. Will it be modified or will it be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50?
10, 20, 30, 40.
10. Easiest hint is that ID memory address is different. So is this call by value or call by reference?
Call by value.
Call by
Call
value.
by value. Selfish case. Shantala alone has modified her answer, but she did not cascade that back to Sushmita. So selfish case. So call by reference. So nothing but call by value. Good. Now we are going to try the same thing for deep copy now. Now case 2. Deep copy on a single dimensional list. What is my list? The 10, 20. Okay, now I'm going to create my list 2 equal to, I'm going to create my list 2 by doing deep copy. So I'm going to say my list 2 equal to copy dot, what should I type now after copy for deep copy? What should I type after copy?
Deep copy.
Deep copy.
Deep copy, it is there on the screen at the top, right? So I should say deep copy of my. Yeah, we'll definitely do that, Google. We'll definitely do that. Copy dot deep copy of my list. Now I am putting the memory address of my list, which is this guy. My list 2. Is it same or different?
Different.
Different.
Now my list 2, Shantala is changing her answer to now 4 5s. Now my list 2 has got modified as expected. Now my list, will it be modified or not?
Modified.
No.
Guys, look
Not-
at the
No.
It will not modify.
memory address.
Call
is
by
different.
value.
Okay, so it
Modified.
will not be modified. Now, can you guys tell me what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? Kalpana, what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? Kalpana, ma'am.
Yeah.
So I know that you might not have gotten it fully, but just give a try. You look at the output. My list 1 has got changed. My list remained the same.
Yes.
My list 2 got changed and my list remained the same. Now, what is the difference between shallow copy and deep copy? Arunji?
Oh, there's no difference.
Yes, they are the same. So the first conclusion is that conclusion. What is the conclusion? With single dimensional list, both shallow copy and deep copy will behave the same way. What is that way? Call by value. Correct? Is that clear, guys? This is the conclusion.
Sir, one doubt.
Yeah, your name and then the doubt.
Anuj here, sir.
Go ahead, sir.
What is single dimensional list? Actually, while reading, I mean, when you taught list,
So you see this way, right? This is called a single dimensional. Now
okay,
inside the list, if you keep another list, that is called nested list. So this is single dimensional linear. Somebody will say linear list. Basically, it is not a nested list.
okay. So nested
Only
list
one
is
dimension, right?
okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so nested list is multiple dimensional list or
Yes.
some. Okay, got it. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. Guys, is that clear to all of you? How the shallow copy and deep copy will behave with respect to single dimensional list? So guys, in the interview,
Yes.
you should be able to confidently tell that shallow copy, deep copy will behave the same way on a single dimensional list, okay, which is call by value. Original data structure is there, copied data structure is there. You do certain modification on the copied data structure, that will not get cascaded back into the original data structure for shallow copy and deep copy in a single dimensional list. Right? Any doubts, any questions on this? All good?
Sir, this
Yes,
is
sir.
Prem here.
Yeah.
So like maybe you will be teaching that later, but just a doubt. So what if I intentionally want to do call by reference in a single dimension? So if that is my user application or something.
So what are the 6